Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, travelling, and training. As always, before we do get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. And if you do enjoy the content, don't give me a thumbs up. Cheers, troops. Here we are, 27th of June, 2022. Looking forward to the start of a new trading week. Troops, I apologise, but I'm going to explain. I didn't put a video out on Friday. There's a reason for that. There was so much noise last week that I just thought, you know what, I'm going to take the weekend just to take it all in. Let's see what people are saying. So we'll do the prices first, and then we'll go into a little bit more detail about what my take is on what was going on last week, what everybody was talking about. So last week, where were we? Monday. When was Monday? That would have been the 20th. So what's this? Daily candles? That can't be right then. 24th. 3, 2, 1, 17th, 21st. Oh, it was a short week, wasn't it? Yeah. Market was only open 4 days last week. Get yourself together, Mark. So a bit of a nothing week, really, troops, for me. Bit of up and down, but we kind of finished. We kind of finished where we started, and you can see this line I've got drawn in, this 12.13. It's almost bang on, troops. It's uncanny. Well, it's not, because that's what you get when you look at the charts. But yeah, I mean, even right back here, you can see that 12 resistance support there. So crucial level, troops, and we've not broke it. I did have a look at the charts over the weekend. I drew these new trend lines on. That one's a little bit out. Let's just put that on there. Bring that up a little bit. Get some touch points. There we go. That's what I'm looking at, troops. So we're coming to a crescendo. Will it go up? Will it go down? Who knows? The casino will soon be open. Anyway. Crucial level, we did finish slightly up on Friday, 3.5%. Very, very good indeed. Happy with that, actually, because we're maintaining. Call it consolidation, call it accumulation, call it whatever you want. But look at a big volume bar as well for last Friday, which was nice. Russell 1000 rebalancing. Everyone was expecting a massive pop. I saw the chatter. It's one of the things I want to talk about. This is going to be it. This is going to start MOAS, blah, blah. But hey, come on, guys. We've been here so many times with all these hype dates, haven't we? Just let it do its thing. Just let it do its thing. That's all we can do. So again, I'm watching that level today, troops, 12.13. If we maintain that, happy days, and then just sit and wait. It's a watching brief. Absolute watching brief. Same for GME, finished up on Friday, 4.8, no, down on Friday, 4.8%. But you can see overall for the week, we finished round about where we ended the previous week. So nothing ventured, nothing lost, nothing gained, really, troops there. Again, that 130 level, that's where I'm going. 130 level, that kind of held. We didn't quite touch down on it, but we are there or thereabouts. And you can see if you just track back how many touch points we've got. So, you know, not only above but below as well. So happy days. Let's see if we can maintain that. Right then. Short hedge fund that called out apes last week. Who was it? Can't even remember the name of the fund, but they put a message out saying we're short AMC. We dare the apes to come and take us on. All right then, let's see. Is that another Melvin? Is it another Melvin, or is it done for publicity? One of the guys in my Discord, cheers Auntie, said it was only a small fund with not really a big short position, so probably just trying to get some publicity, troops, in all honesty. So yeah, that was quite funny. And then the big one for last week, obviously, was the report from the FSC, which basically was a report taking into account everything that was said in that hearing that took place last year between, you know, all the politicians and Vlad Tenev, Ken Griffin, Gabe Plotkin, who else was on there? I can't remember. But all these players that were involved in the sneeze in January 2021. And I've seen some stuff out and about. Obviously, it's all over social media, blah, blah, blah. The first thing I want to address is people saying that they've released it at the same time that the Supreme Court gave their ruling on that Roe versus Wade. They released that, and then the report came out at the same time. And there are some people saying, oh, it was they've done it on purpose. Whether they have or they haven't, we'll never know, troops. We'll absolutely never know. It's one of those things that they could just say, no, it's just coincidence. And there's nothing to say otherwise. I mean, I don't really see what benefit that would bring, because there's eyes on the report. So I don't see, the noise is going to be just as loud from us about that report as if, and I know people are saying, oh, well, everybody else is distracted. Well, I'm sorry to say it, troops, but not everybody else has been waiting for this report to come out. Do you know what I mean? If it had been like that, and all those people that were watching that Supreme Court ruling were also waiting for a report on GameStop from the American politicians, I could understand that theory. I'd completely get it, but there's no way of knowing that, and it seems a little bit far-fetched to me, because those people were focused on that and we were focused on the report. I don't think it would have gained any extra publicity had that Supreme Court, had it come out at a different time to the Supreme Court ruling. So that's the first thing. And then I've also seen a plethora of posts, hashtag Ken Griffin lied, blah, blah, blah. I've not read the entire report, but I've read some of it, and I've read particularly about the quotes regarding what was said and what was allegedly said, and and I just think we need to be careful, troops. I'm probably going to get called a shill for this, but the reality is, when you look at what the report says and you look at what Ken Griffin said under oath, I don't see where you could state categorically in a legal sense that he 100% lied. I don't see, because it doesn't say in the report that Ken Griffin and Vlad Tenev had a discussion about switching off the buy button. All I see is Citadel Securities and Robin Hood had a discussion about payment for order flow rates. That's all I can find. If I've missed it and there's something else in the report, I will happily accept that. So please, if you've seen that, correct me. Put it in the comments, correct me, because I will happily hold my hands up and say I missed it. But that's what I've seen, and that for me, we all want it to be true, don't we? Of course we do. We all want these people held to account. And what the report does do is it kind of validates what we're all saying. It does validate that things were going on in the background. We didn't know before this report, that Apex waived, or DTCC waived, nearly 10 billion in margin requirements. We didn't know that. So to some extent, the report gives us that new information, and it confirms what we've been theorising all along, is that there's stuff going on in the background that is detrimental to us and our investments and the companies that we invest in. So full credit for the report on that, and that's kind of what I'm focused on, really, is not whether Ken Griffin lied, because if he did, his day will come. He'll trip himself up eventually. If you tell the truth, you never have to remember what you said. If you told a lie, you've always got to be thinking. And maybe in 20 years' time, he'll trip up, and he'll say something else. Word to you, Kenneth. Good luck remembering everything you've said if you've been lying. But yeah, I just wanted to address that. Temper people's expectations a little bit. Don't get, you've watched my channel long enough now. I don't go in for hype dates, and I try and take an objective view of the information that's out there, because it is emotional. We are emotionally invested as well. As much as people want to say, no, I'm completely zen, that's it, I'm done, I'm happy, emotionally you are invested a little bit. Everybody has to admit that. And that was it, troops. They're the points I wanted to get across. So a bit more philosophical than technical today. But I'm looking forward to this week. Let's see what it brings. Still waiting for a splividend. No news on that yet. Still waiting for the NFT marketplace. All these good things are going to come to us, troops. I am sure. I'm trusting my understanding of the DD. I trust in the company. I trust in the board. And I'm just generally excited, troops. So that's it. That's all I've got for you today. Like I said, I am excited for this week. But with that in mind, Wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one on Friday. Cheers, troops.